Okay, now we are on the admin dashboard. You just need to go to your online store, and then you will see here two option. Okay, here you can see customize option. Okay, we can click on this customization option, and then you will see here this is the customization panel. Here you can change each and everything. Okay, just wait, my internet was a bit slow. Okay, just give me, it's so easy. You can change any picture, any text, any image, anything. Okay, let's really show you how you can change. First, see, this is the vendor, and see, this is the slide show. Skip these options, top or header, and these three options. Skip these three options. Here you will find all these options of your home page. Okay, see, first you can see slideshow. Click on this, then go below, see sensitive skin. Click on this and see, this is the image. Okay, you need to change this image. Click on this, upload any new image. Suppose we can add this image, and let's begin try how it looks like. Okay, see, when you after, but remember one thing, when you do any change, save your work. If you not save, then your work will not be saved. Okay, just remove and use the same picture because it's too bad, our old picture. Okay, just go below. You can choose picture from scratch, or you can also, this one. Okay, see, I will after any change I will say. Okay, then you can see here left, click on this, and you see on the next option. Okay, go below, second option, this is the catalog blog. Okay, this step by step. See, feature product, this is feature product. See, you can also hide the section. Okay, see, section is hide. You can also add the section. See, okay, you can do anything you want to do. Like, let's go to bottom. Suppose go to bottom. Okay, here you can see video. This is the last option, custom icon. Just go below here, click on this video icon, and here you can go below here you can put the link of your new video. Okay, suppose if you want to add new video, you can click on this add, and then choose anything you want, like product, image, collection, video. Suppose I show you. See, this is a new video. Then you need to put a new link of your video. Okay, then it will works. If you want to remove any video, then go below and then remove content. The video will be removed. If you want to, suppose, go back, if you can also change anything, like this logo. I will show you how you can change this. These are the logo. See, client logo. See, these are all the image. You can change one by one. Where is the logo? Here are the logo. Okay, let's suppose click on anyone. See, this one. Okay, if you want to change or remove this, edit, change. Okay, you can do anything. Put your new image, change. You can also use your new image. Okay, this is so simple. You can do changing any page you want. Okay, let's go below. What you want to change? Suppose we want to change this. First we need to find this section to check where is this. I think this one. No, bestseller. This is not. This is different section. Small banner. See, this banner you can change this banner from here. Click on this and add new. Okay, I think you understand how to change your home page. It's so easy. Okay, thank